Alright, so what I'm currently looking at is a potential liquidity grab on NAS 100 unfolding. We just had 630 open, so we had an insane bullish spike to the upside. The reason that I think that this has potential is because the previous session had absolutely nothing but sellers, and we also did break structure with this massive drop. So what just occurred is market manipulation. New York session took out all these seller stop losses. They're basically grabbing the money, and it looks like they're probably just gonna run the other way with it, right? So that's just pure textbook market manipulation, where they stop out traders from obviously making more money on sells, and then they continue to go in their favor. So I think that this is very, very high potential of winning. I'm not going to take it if we get a candle break on this candle, just because my stop loss and take profit, let me remove this, will be far too big. Obviously I'd be aiming for a 1-to-1, and it will look something like that. That's just asking for too much, in my opinion. So I would love a smaller entry if possible, and if I don't get that, well, then we probably are just not going to take this setup in general. So yeah, let's just see what happens. Yeah, there's not really much else to say. Let's just see what happens with this zone.
Order filled.
Yeah, fuck it. We just got in. Not really too sure how I feel about it.
Order filled.
Going for a 1-to-1, obviously. So it's gonna be around right here. I think the setup is good. I just think that the stop loss and the take profit is really, really far. So that's just a little bit unfortunate. But I guess we'll just see what happens.
Order filled.
Okay, yeah, well, stop loss got hit. That probably wasn't the best trade, honestly. I kind of knew that as soon as I got in. I think the reason that I FOMO'd into that trade was because I had 2 trades leave me earlier. One on NAS and one on gold. So, a bit unfortunate. I think the zone is still extremely valid, and so if we get a candle break, I'll possibly get it one more time and try to aim for $1,000 just to make back what I lost plus some. But if we don't get a good entry, then I'm just gonna let it go and just take the L for the day. Other than that, nothing else really looks good. So it's either this or I'm just gonna end the video here.
Order filled.
Okay, I'm getting back in.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
I'm gonna aim for $1,000. This looks pretty decent. It's kind of unfortunate that it wanted to wick me out and then drop back down, but it is what it is. Let's just try to see if we can make back what we lost and some.
Order filled.
No, that's actually crazy. I'm not even gonna lie. That is insane how it just did that. I just got super duper faked the fuck out. Wow. I don't know. Let's see. Why could this have potentially lost? I mean, the liquidity grab seemed pretty good on the 5 minute, the 1 hour. I don't even know honestly, bro. I think we low-key just got faked out. Maybe this 200 EMA right here holding. Maybe that price is going. I don't even know. Maybe the price is, or the EMA is going through the middle. I honestly do not know, because that really didn't look like it was a terrible setup. The best thing I can say is just that 200 EMA on the 1 hour time frame. You can see that we tapped right into it and it just held right there. And then continued to go up. Well, that's interesting. Okay. Well, I'm down 1600, which isn't the end of the world, but that does definitely suck. There's really not much else for me to say. Kind of just, I don't really even know what went wrong, honestly. I think it was just a setup that didn't want to win. Not really much else I can do. So I'm just going to end the video here. The account's at 148,800. So we got some money to make back. But yeah, I'm just gonna end it here.